Hello, Jodie here from JOLI Natural Skincare, and today I wanted to show you how to make your own concealer. So you begin with some loose mineral powder that is a very good match with your face and neck colour. Then you get some of that and you tip it into a little container here. This is my old eye cream container. Comes in very handy now that it's empty. So you put so much in. You get some skin serum and drip some drips in there. You can use different skin serum that isn't JOLI, but the skin serum that JOLI sells is healing, so it's safe to use on blemishes and things, as in it will heal them as you apply it. So you put some drops in there and you give it a mix, and you can see it's a little bit too powdery, so you add some more liquid. And the beauty also about skin serum is it smells really nice. So the consistency that you're looking for is like a liquid makeup that's not too thin. You don't want it runny, but you don't want it gluggy. And so there we can see there, it's a nice sort of cream consistency. There's a fair whack in the brush, but that doesn't actually matter because once I use it on myself, it comes out of the brush. And so there we have this really lovely cream concealer that you've made yourself. And so to give a bit of a demo, I have here a nice wound because I'm always burning myself when I cook. And this is how it works. So when you put it on, you give it a bit of a pat, and then you'd cover that with the powder once you're done. And so it's very, very effective in covering things like pimples, wounds, sores before you go in with your foundation. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Love to hear from you. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video.